Want to create a realistic tree in Blender in under a minute? Here's a simple way. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and open the Add-ons tab. Enable Sapling Tree Generator. Now switch to Object Mode, click Add, go to Curve, and choose Sapling Tree Generator. Open the geometry settings and adjust the shape of the tree as you like. Then go to the Leaves settings, increase the number of leaves to around 150, and scale them to fit your scene. To add animation, enable Use Armature, then turn on Armature Animation and Leaf Animation. Finally, select the leaves, go to Material Properties, add a new material, and choose your preferred color. Boom! Your realistic animated tree is ready.